Hey everybody, this is Marya here on YouTube. Today I have this super simple, super easy look. This is from the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you guys want to learn how to get this eye look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm using my Modern Renaissance today. Sienna, which is this one. I already have my eyes primed and loaded. What? No, primed and set. So I'm just applying raw sienna to my crease. Like that, nothing too hard. I kind of extend it out towards my eyebrow. You guys know I love to do this. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of, I don't know, Real Gar, which is the orangey one right here. Just a little bit on the tip, and I'm gonna be placing that onto the outer corner of my eye, a little bit on the crease, a little bit lower than raw sienna. And for the principal eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Weenie. This is a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. I believe this is from the Kathleen Lights Quad. And so I'm just taking it with my finger, applying that to my eyelid. I fucked that up. You guys know I love me some Colourpop. I love this brand. I wanted something soft. Okay, now I'm gonna take the brush again and just help me blend everything out. I'm gonna take a little bit of Love Letter, which is this pink one right there, with a little bit of Real Gar, which is the orangey one we used. That's just gonna bring a little bit more of a pop of color to the eye. The liner I have been using is by Kat Von D. I love this liner. I love it. I can't stop. So I'm just doing something soft again. So now underneath my lower lash line, basically grabbing a different brush. This is a Real Techniques base shadow brush. I'm taking raw sienna and a little bit of Real Gar and mixing them together to put under my eyes and connect them both. Now I'm taking a little bit of Primavera, which is which is this one right here, and I'm taking that to the inner corner like that. A little bit up there. So smart. Okay, so I'm using this Kiko Cosmetic Bright Duo Baked Eyeshadow in number 3. And I'm taking the one here on the top, and I'm taking that with Anastasia brush. And I'm just kind of placing that little glitter here on top. Oh, yes. I love it. just there. Oh Lord, yes. I'm using my Colourpop Volume Express and my Better Than Sex mascara, and that is pretty much the look for this video, which was super fast and super easy to do. So yeah. So yeah, that was it for today's makeup look. So it's just a super easy modern Renaissance palette look that I haven't used in a while. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because it really does help me out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!